Hey guys, it's Gal here. I wanted to do a quick review on the acne-free Terminator cream that I got from the Dollar Tree, as many of you guys wanted to hear a review. First off, I wanted to point out that the cap does not require complete removal to retrieve the cream. You simply pop the lid and squeeze the product out. And the next thing that I wanted to point out is the color of the cream. It is white, but it comes off clear, which makes it wearable throughout the day without anyone noticing, which is really nice. And there is no scent to it, so again, it won't, bother you throughout the day if you choose to wear this. And here is my before and after of using the product after just one use. My problem area is my chin, as I've stated before, and you can see that there is quite a difference after the first usage. My chin is slightly less red because the product had minimized my blemishes, and here's a better look at the at which blemishes had decreased in size. I've circled the blemishes in the before photo, and you can compare it to the after photo. There's a difference, right? So let's get to the pros of the product. First off, it's inexpensive if purchased from the Dollar Tree. Second, the scent to the product is faint or unnoticeable, so it won't give you a headache if you choose to wear it throughout the day, like I stated earlier. Third, it's a clear cream, which means you can apply it during the daytime if you choose to wear it in the morning instead of at night. Fourth, the cap is not a twist off, which means it's very convenient. And lastly, fast results. I mean, who wouldn't want that? Now for the cons, the only thing for me was that it was a little bit drying, so I would recommend to use it once every other day to test it out and see if it dries your skin. If not, then you can definitely up the ante on application. Overall, I would definitely recommend picking this up if you spot it at your Dollar Tree. It definitely works and is totally worth your $1. I hope you guys enjoyed this review and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and happy holidays.